Hello, Southern California. This is meteorologist Elizabeth Schenk with the National Weather Service located in San Diego, California. This afternoon, I'm going to be talking to you guys about an extended heat wave that is going to develop through the day on Sunday and persist through much of next week, so through the last week of September, as well as a Santa Ana wind event that is going to develop Sunday evening and persist through much of the day on Monday. So combining these warm temperatures with some breezy offshore winds could lead to some critical fire weather conditions through the day on Monday. So looking at the left image, these are some of the high temperatures on Monday. Coastal areas are generally going to be ranging from the upper 70s through the lower 80s. Some of those inland valleys are going to be in the middle 80s to middle 90s. And we are going to see some of that heat really starting to build across the lower desert. So looking at 105 in Borrego Springs, 104 in Thermal, and even the high deserts are going to be getting in on some of that excessive heat as well. Looking at the image on the right, we are going to be looking at some gusty winds developing across Southern California, generally beginning to develop Sunday evening, and the strongest winds are going to occur through the day on Monday. So these winds are going to be offshore winds, generally looking at northeast winds to east winds, 15 to 25 miles per hour and gusting up to 40 miles per hour at times. So combining this heat with the gusty winds on Monday, we are going to be looking at some critical fire weather conditions. Because of this, we have issued a fire weather watch for some areas of Southern California. This is going to include the Riverside County Mountains, the San Diego County Mountains, and the San Bernardino County Mountains, as well as the adjacent valleys and portions of the Inland Empire. This fire weather watch is going to be valid from 5 a.m. Monday through 5 p.m. Monday, September 28th. Northeast to east winds, generally 15 to 25 miles per hour and gusting up to 40 miles per hour at times, especially in some of those wind-prone areas. Because of these northeast winds, they are going to bring some lower relative humidity across a lot of Southern California. So our lowest daytime humidity is going to range 10 to 15% of the relative humidity. And the high temperatures are going to be ranging 10 to 15 degrees above average. Also, we have experienced very, very low precipitation across Southern California through this summer. So we are looking at critically dry fuels across our area. So any fire that is potentially started, especially through the day on Monday, could lead to rapid fire growth and the potential for extreme fire weather behavior. So in summation, generally we are going to be looking at temperatures beginning to increase through the day on Sunday. And by Monday, high temperatures are going to range 10 to 15 degrees above normal. Temperatures are expected to remain above normal through a lot of next week with a slight reprieve next weekend potentially. However, we are going to be looking at the potential for some Santa Ana winds to develop Sunday night and persist through Monday afternoon. Northeast winds 15 to 25 miles per hour sustained, gusting up to 40 miles per hour at times. With these Santa Ana winds, they are going to help to drop that relative humidity as well. And in combination with those extremely dry fuels, there is going to be the potential for fire weather on Monday. So we do have that fire weather watch in effect from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Monday for the Riverside County Mountains, the San Diego County Mountains, the San Bernardino County Mountains, the adjacent valleys, as well as portions of the Inland Empire. So like I said before, elevated to near critical fire weather conditions through the day on Monday, and depending on how the winds behave through the remainder of the week, we could potentially be looking at some elevated to possibly near critical fire weather conditions through much of next week as well. For the most up-to-date forecasts and information and our latest warnings, watches, and advisories, please visit weather.gov/San Diego and connect with us on Twitter and Facebook and YouTube. Thank you for your time.